Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable or disable video autoplay in Microsoft Store app in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So video autoplay happens in the most recent versions of the Microsoft Store when you're browsing the store and looking at the description page of an app or a game. Some of them have a video that will start automatically playing at the top. The video is essentially a promotional piece for the item you're looking at. There isn't any sound that comes from the video and you can just click pause, but if you don't find it annoying or unnecessary, then I'll show you on how to turn off or turn on. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu, and then here you need to type this Microsoft Store, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up this Microsoft Store, at the top right corner, you can see this Microsoft Store profile and then click. And the next step, then you need now to select this settings and then click. So here now at settings, and then you need now to select this video autoplay. So play videos automatically. Then if you want to turn off and turn on right side, you can see this button, and then you need to toggle this button to the right or left. And then you will see now enable or turn off. If you want to enable, then toggle this button like you see in my screen. Alright, so that's it guys. And thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows settings on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.